Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Branch for deep linking in mobile step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Branch website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your information. Provide your full name in the designated section. Enter a valid email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your information. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox for the email from Branch. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Branch website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Locate the Create a New App button on the dashboard. Click on it to begin the app registration process. Fill in the app name and select the platform, either iOS or Android. Enter the bundle ID for your mobile app. If applicable, provide the app's App Store ID. Complete any additional information required. Once all fields are filled out, click the Create App button. Your app will now be registered with Branch. Navigate to the Deep Links section within your app settings. Follow the prompts to set up your first deep link. Customize the deep link according to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.